First thing I'm going to do is locate the drain plug. It is going to be up underneath the bike right here. To catch the oil here, I'm going to use this 5-quart container that I cut open. While the oil is draining, I need to remove this radiator shroud here. There are going to be 2 hex screws that we'll need to remove, one here and one here. To remove the radiator shroud, you're simply just going to pull up. To get to the oil filter, there will be 1 screw we'll need to remove here. There's going to be 1 on the bottom. Remove the oil filter. Now on this oil filter, I put a little bit of oil around the ring here. I'm going to go ahead and install the new filter. With the new filter installed, we'll go ahead and put this guy back on, reinstall the radiator shroud. The bike is going to take 3.1 liters or 3.3 quarts of oil. I'm using this Amsoil Synthetic 2050. The oil is going to be put in right here at the dipstick location.